Good morning, family.
Time to wake up, little ones.
I'm hungry, Mama.
Let's find breakfast together.
Stay close, everyone.
Yes, Papa. Look, something shiny.
What is it, Coco?
My button! Where is my button?
We will help you look.
Is this it, Mrs. Rabbit?
Yes. Thank you so much. This is the third thing I've lost this week. That's very strange.
Hello, my family. Grandpa. Good to see you. Mr. Squirrel lost his acorn cap.
Who is taking them?
We must find this thief.
Let's ask our friends. My shiny acorn cap is gone.
When did you lose it?
It was here, then gone.
Very mysterious indeed.
Someone took my tiny mirror.
That's so mean.
All shiny things are disappearing.
We need a plan. Let's set a trap.
Can I help too?
This will be perfect bait.
Good thinking, Mama.
Where should we hide?
Behind those bushes, quietly. Shh, be very quiet.
I'll be quiet, Papa.
Listen, do you hear that? Something is coming.
So shine. So pretty. Just one more for my collection. Now.
Stop right there!
Oh no! I'm caught. Please don't hurt me. We won't hurt you, child. Why are you crying? I'm so sorry.
Why did you take them?
I was lonely.
Nobody wants to play with me.
Why not, little one?
They say magpies only steal things.
That's just a silly story. Follow me.
Where are we going?
Look at all these things.
I kept them to feel less lonely. They sparkle and make me smile.
But these belong to others. I didn't even think about that.
It's time to make things right.
I'll help you carry them.
Thank you, Coco. Let's return these together.
I'm scared they'll be angry. Saying sorry takes real courage. Will they forgive me?
Knock, knock, Mrs. Rabbit.
Who is there?
I'm sorry I took this.
Oh my! You found it! I forgive you, young one.
Really? Thank you. Mr. Squirrel, we have something.
My acorn cap. Hooray!
I'm very sorry, sir. Apology accepted, little friend. Here is your mirror, ma'am.
Thank you for being honest.
Everyone is so kind. Honesty feels good, doesn't it? Thank you. We forgive you. I won't steal again.
Everyone, meet our new friend.
Hello, new friend. You all want to be my friends?
Of course we do!
Want to race with me tomorrow?
Yes, I'd love that.
I can show you my garden. That sounds wonderful.
This is the best day ever.
Friendship is the best treasure.
Can we play together now?
Yes. Let's play.
Catch me if you can. I'm coming to get you.
Time to come home, Coco.
Okay, Mama. Goodbye, friend.
See you tomorrow, everyone.
Sleep well, young magpie. We did good today, family.
Yes, we really did.
I like our new friend.
He's a good bird inside.
Time for sleep, little one. Can Magpie visit us tomorrow?
Yes, he can visit any time.
Yay! I'm so happy.
Everyone deserves a second chance.
And everyone needs friends.
Wake up! It's a new day.
You're up early, Coco.
Good morning, Crow family.
Good morning, friend. I brought breakfast for everyone.
How thoughtful. Thank you.
These acorns are delicious.
I'm glad you like them.
Let's play flying games.
Great idea, Coco.
I'm flying so fast. Wait for me. Watch this trick, friend.
That's amazing, Coco.
What do you want to be?
A good friend, like you.
Can I play too?
Yes, everyone can play.
We want to play too.
The more friends, the better.
This is so much fun.
I'm so happy now.
Look how happy they all are. Our forest is better now.
Snack time, everyone.
Thank you, Mama Crow.
Here you go, friends.
You're so helpful.
Time to head home, everyone.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Can I come back tomorrow?
Come back every day.
You're always welcome here, young one.
Thank you so much, Papa Crow. He's a different bird now.
Kindness changes everything.
I love having new friends.
Friends make life beautiful.
Today was a good day.
Yes, a very good day. Good night, everyone. I love you.
We love you too, Coco. Good night.